Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide a page from your main navigation on your site. So the first thing you want to do is just go to pages on the back end of your site. We're here on my demo website. Now, there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you each way so you know, and you can do it as you like. Let's just say we want to hide the contact page. We no longer want it to show up in our navigation. Well, what we could do is click the settings wheel here, and then we could actually disable the page. It says enabled right now and it's green. Well, if you check this off, it disables it when you hit save. Well, it'll disappear from the navigation. Boom, just like that. But let's say you actually still want to keep the page live. You just want to remove it from your main navigation. Well, the way we do that is, let me set this live again. So it's there again, you could see it. What we could do is just actually click and drag this down to the not linked section. So that page still works, people can still access it, but it no longer lives in your main navigation. And just now that you know that, you can easily reorganize this however you like for these pages to show up. A pro tip, and this isn't necessary for everyone, it doesn't really make a huge change, but do you see how this bottom one here is a link? Typically, I actually set my entire main navigation as links, and the content, all of it lives in the not linked section. So here, these are just folders typically and not linked, and links for all of them. So I'll click the plus sign, I'll either create a folder or link. Those two typically are all of the things up here. So a good example of this is on our Launch Happy website. You'll see we have a service folder, and then all of these are links. So you could just link to certain parts of the site as you like overall. And then it kind of makes it easy. So if you just need to get rid of something, you literally just drag it down, and then you could drag it back up. And it just gives you full control where you could keep this organized the way you want. And I even use folders down here to keep things organized as well. But that's for another video. But for now, those two methods are the best ways to hide a page. You can delete the page if you want to, which it's the same process as the first step, just a little bit different. So if we have this in the main navigation and you just want to get rid of it, you don't want it, you'll click the settings wheel, you'll scroll to the bottom, and then you'll be able to delete the page. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.